Hi, it's Jackie. I'm back again. Welcome to the HS Segway demo. We hope that these explanatory vignettes allow you to better utilize this service. Okay, this section is really important to understand, so pay attention. Now let's discuss the Postings Manager. Click on My Postings and select the category of posting that you want to manage. In this case, we are looking at co-op groups, and you have published 4 co-ops: Spelling Made Easy, Elementary Math, Music History, and South American Geography. In the submenu, you will notice buttons for Manage, Edit, Copy, Open, Close, Delete, Publish, and Unpublish. These buttons allow you to manage all aspects of your postings. Each of the buttons has a short description of its functionality that appears if you hover your cursor over the button. The Manage button is short for Manage Participants, and once you have replies to your postings from other HS Segway members, you can manage those replies by clicking on the Radio button for the posting, the little round thingy next to the posting entry on the list, and then clicking the Manage button. This is true of all the other sub-menu buttons as well. To use them, first select the posting by clicking on the Posting Entry Radio button, then click the appropriate button. Note that once you have selected an entry from the posting list, only those buttons that are applicable to that entry are visible. For example, if there have been no replies to a listing, the Manage button would not be visible if that listing were selected. Or if the posting is already published, the Publish button is not visible. So let's look at the Manage button. We will select the Spelling Made Easy posting and click the Manage button. Note there are 8 entries in this screen, indicating that members have submitted 8 children for participation. 4 of them are new, indicating that you have not yet acted on their application. 4 of them are enrolled, indicating that you have previously acted to enroll them. There are 6 options in all: enroll, decline, contact, waitlist, remove, and cancel. Hovering over each of these buttons will display a brief description of the functionality. When you select applicants to act upon, each of the options leads you to a screen that allows you to enter comments that are sent to the member regarding that applicant or that set of applicants. Clicking Enroll will allow you to enroll an applicant that is not currently enrolled and send a comment to the member. Clicking Decline allows you to decline a specific applicant while leaving the applicant in the participants listing. Only Remove will actually delete them from your participants listing. The Contact button allows you to put that applicant into a pending category while sending your comments to the member to clarify the applicant's prerequisites for the class. The Waitlist button allows you to waitlist an applicant in the event that you are uncertain as to the availability of the class for that applicant. The Remove button permanently removes the applicant from the event and your listing, while still allowing you to send your comments to the member. Finally, Cancel brings you back to the My Postings page. Notification of a decline is sent to the user as a system email with your explanatory comments, if any. Other notifications are done through the private online messaging system. As you can see from the screen, you have already enrolled 4 of the applicants on the list. See the status column. So if you click one of these entries, the Enroll button will disappear. In the same fashion, you can select multiple entries upon which to act, but only those buttons that apply to all entries will be visible. If multiple entries upon which you are acting are from the same family, They will only receive one notification listing the various applicants. Slick, eh? If you select Linda and click Decline, a screen will appear, allowing you to enter your explanatory comments or not. Once you submit this action, Linda's status will change to Declined, and she will remain in the list unless you select her and click Remove. Other actions operate in a similar way and allow you to manage all replies to your postings. Let's look at other functionality in the My Posting screen. For example, clicking on South American Geography in the subject column allows you to edit this posting, description, dates, times, etc. This is identical to clicking the radio button and then the edit button, just faster. The copy button allows you to create a new posting from the information contained in one you have previously posted. Just click the radio button and then copy. Note that you will need to enter your new schedule information and edit any details you would like. Hit Preview, Submit, and you have a new listing based on your previous listing. When you copy a listing, it will initially be unpublished, not visible on the board, until you publish it. This gives you better control of the publication timing. When a posting is open and published, it is available for replies. When a posting is closed and published, it is unavailable for replies, but still visible on the board. A closed posting is color-coded red. We close postings automatically on their last scheduled date, but leave them published, visible on the board, for 30 days beyond their last scheduled date, unless you take action to the contrary or override the system defaults. So, a posting can be published to the board, but be closed for replies. This is the best explanation on the difference between published, unpublished, and open-closed. The delete button will permanently remove a posting from the board and your list. Okay, as Teacher Jackie, I encourage you to review this section if needed because this My Postings functionality really empowers you to manage your homeschool experience.